Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to log out a Doctrina AI account. I will guide you through this easy process, so let's get started. If you have watched one of our previous tutorials on how to create an account for Doctrina AI or how to log into your Doctrina AI account, and now you wish to log out of that account, then here's how you can do that. Firstly, make sure you are on this web page and then go to the top right-hand corner and click on the profile icon, which looks something like this. Now, at the bottom of the page, you should be able to see a logout button. Click on it to log out of your Doctrina AI account. But before that, make sure you remember the username and password of your account so that you can log into your account again. Once you have written down your username and password somewhere so you don't forget it, click on the logout button. After clicking on the logout button, you will be redirected to the login page and you have successfully logged out of your Doctrina AI account. If you wish to log into your account again, then you can do so by entering your username and password that you just wrote down in these fields. So this was how you can log out of your Doctrina AI account. If you found this tutorial helpful, then be sure to hit the like button below the video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss on any tutorials. Lastly, if you have any questions, then feel free to comment down below.